In this video, I want to discuss how to get these, get your signatures ready for gluing. And the first thing that you need to do is sew off each signature so it's a standalone signature. And that's what I've done. And then make sure that you get your end pages. These will be supplied in your kit, and they will have a strip of double-sided tape. What you need to do is you need to go ahead and line up everything, register it. Register it is just make sure the edges are as straight as you can. So that's about as good as we're going to get this. And once you determine that, we're going to move it around a little bit, but I needed to do that in order to determine that this end page right here is going to be used for the signature. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on right now. I'll flip it over and just go ahead and try to peel back that tape's cover. And then the best way to pull it back is just to go straight back like this. Sometimes it adheres a little too much, it's a little too tacky and the cover will rip, but if you pull it straight back and then carefully just place it on top of that signature, really just the first group, you know, just put it, align it to the very first one. You don't have to really align it to the whole book itself. That's good. Now we're going to flip it around and we're going to do the same for this one. I can actually just remove this and let's see, I'll just glue it on there. Now I did get some green on this, but I'm going to cover that over with the tape. So when you can do things like that, you know, do it. In other words, cover over your mistakes before you throw something away and have to start again. So pick a corner, kind of scrape it back on this double stick tape, and then pull it at a 90-degree angle or more up and back. And then just quickly align the corners. Make sure it's nice and as best as you can. Okay, now if it's off a little bit, you can just trim it with some scissors. Be fine. And then you place it back on top and you're ready to go. Alright, now the next step is to try to keep this as flush and as straight as you can, especially the finger edge. And as you can see, the signatures here, some are a little lower than others, some are a little higher, and the end pages, in this case, they're fine, but they might stick up a little bit. That's okay. Or the signatures of the end pages might stick up a little higher. That's actually good because it'll serve to keep the glue in. But it's all right if there's a little bit of an unevenness here, because what's important is that the finger-edged side that's going to be exposed to the writer is as flush as you can get it, as registered as you can get it.